Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms. Job ID is 31071. The job location is Malta, Montana. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: at least 8 years of experience in Power BI architecture, design, gathering requirements, and guiding architectural teams. Ideally, the candidate should have experience of 8 years. No certifications are required. Face-to-face interview process is not required. For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms.